Hi, I'm Susan. I want to show you my new glue book I made this past weekend. The book started out looking like this, and I added a 3-inch chipboard spine, and I covered it with a pretty scrapbook paper that I had, and then an old scarf is what I used for the binding. And I just used another piece of scrapbook paper that I had for the inside. And this is the first glue book I've made, and I just added in a bunch of different papers, scrap papers that I had. I got from our local library a big old box of different wedding flower type books for like $5, and it was a huge box. So I knew they would come in handy in collage, and some of the pages from the book I used in this book to glue on, and I just pulled out some like scraps, some old church bulletins, music, just different things to glue on. And I did a 4-signature page. This is from another book that I got there, and just like I said, scrap stuff. But I did 4 signatures, and I'm excited to start. I've seen other people make stuff. I just added strips to the center to do my pages, you know, where I needed to. I've got junk mail. So let's start off with a good page and see what we can do. I think I'm going to leave that one for now. I thought about starting off this one at the front. Alright, my first page is done, and I have to say the hardest thing was covering up those little girls. But that's what it's for. So I love the addition of the scrapbook paper in the holes that I didn't have a big enough picture for. And I love, there's something about the hand that I just love. It's happy, comforting, praying, just a closeness. I love it. And I'm happy that this is the first thing I chose to put in my new glue book. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.